tonight I'm going to be doing a regular pour on a white base coat. My base coat's going to be super thin. I'm hoping to get, I don't know, some other cells coming up. The regular paints I have here are going to be thicker than the base coat white, and I'm also going to use this white in the dirty pour cup. Anyway, my paints today, I'll go ahead and start in the cups, pouring it in the cup. Sorry, I have a cold. I'm using the Pearl White, which is Creative Inspirations Pearl White. This is Paynes Grey, Creative Inspirations. This is 24 Karet, which is Deco Art. Basics Magenta. Rich Bronze, Creative Inspirations. This is Gold, Artist Loft. This is Old Gold, Artist Loft. This is Burnt Sienna, Creative Inspirations. I'll be right back. I'm going to put the flood coat on. Okay, my flood coat's down. I need to pop the bubbles. This is a Latex Semi-gloss interior house paint, and I mixed it with probably 1:1 Floetrol and paint. Then I added a lot of extra water to get it really thin. It's very thin. I do add a little bit of GAC 800 in the mix. So we got GAC 800, pretty much 50-50 paint, Floetrol, a little bit of GAC 800, and then I really put water in it to thin it so it flows really nice over the, this is a 10 by 20 canvas. So I ended up putting a little bit of that mix in the cup in the end, and it sank, which is fine. So now I'm going to, I popped the bubbles, or maybe more. I'm just going to pour it on here and see what happens here. I'm going to let it go for about 10 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, I think it looks pretty cool. I love this. I like everything about it except right here with that one big blob. So, I'm trying to figure out what I can do about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can drop a little bit of gray in there and just break it up. I really like it. I love the colors. This is totally metallic here, and I'll bring it down in a minute. I think I'll try this with a different color underneath. Get more like pearls. There's a lot of cool cell pearls here, and I really like that Paynes Grey too. Let me see if I can bring you up. Anyway, I'll wait a little longer and give you another look at it. It really didn't change much. Anyway, I really like this painting. Hopefully I can do more, maybe put a color underneath where the white is. Hope you liked it too. Please like and subscribe. Have a great night.